Amazon has a killer deal on Motorola smartphones right now. If you're in the market for an inexpensive Android phone, then today might be your lucky day. Amazon is discounting select Motorola phones, taking up to 30% off the regular price. The 64GB version of the Moto G7 includes Alexa hands-free and is marked down to $199, normally $289. The 32GB version of the Moto G7 comes with Alexa push-to-talk and is marked down to $187 for the marine blue version or $152 for the deep indigo model. The Moto G7 is a reliable, basic Android phone, read our review. These particular versions of the G7 come with several Amazon apps pre-installed, including the ability to talk to and interact with Alexa out of the box. Amazon is also discounting the Moto Z3 Play with Alexa hands-free. It's the 64GB model, which normally costs $399 but is on sale for $259. Also, want the best? Get the iPhone 11. Want a phone that just works? Go budget Android. The Z3 Play, read our review, works with Motorola's Moto Mods platform, with the ability to add an external battery or a dedicated to the back of the phone. The Z3 Play also comes with Amazon's suite of apps pre-installed and works with Alexa voice commands out of the box. For more updates, subscribe and share this video.